But you're the only one that saw it. And they all think you're just
A what?
a wildling.
My father hated that word.
It's not a very nice word, I suppose.
I don't know. Makes me sound a bit dangerous, doesn't it?
So, are you all right? No one bothering you?
I get a lot of looks. I hear them making their jokes, but no one's touched me, if that's what you mean.
I worry about it sometimes. All the time.
Why'd you worry about it?
100 men, 1 woman.
They've got other things to think about.
That's the only thing they think about.
Being silly.
I'm not being silly. There's 100 men lying awake at night picturing you.
And what about you?
What about me? Gilly, I worry about you.
Thank you.
For what?
For worrying about me.